Hey you guys, Blair back again with you, and this is just another quick boat ramp tour. Earlier in another video, I went down to Wise County Park and I launched the Wave Runner and I had some fun and I checked it out and shot a video of that. And I decided, what the heck, let's go all the way out here off of 114 Runaway Bay, Lake Bridgeport, and check out what's going on over here. Super windy. This is a Monday, that's why there's hardly anybody out here. The lake is white capping. Let's just say that riding the Wave Runner wasn't a whole lot of fun, but it was the inaugural run with new battery and new oil change and all that kind of stuff that you got to do annually. And I'm just going to get behind the mic right here. Let's see. So, yeah, if I can get the mic to behave. There we go. This is not high-level production, you guys. So I'm over here, Runaway Bay on 114. If you take 114 all the way out and you get over here to Lakeside Marina, let me spin around. There's nothing going on right there, but you have this little lakeside convenience store, and I will walk out and around and show you there's more convenience stores and such down there. But again, what's really cool, free boat ramp and free boat parking. So let me point out the parking real quick. I went in and I talked to the convenience store lady. She was very, very kind. And she said, whatever you do, park like this guy right here, the blue truck. You have to back up, it's on the grass, and then your trailer goes down. If you pull up and you park parallel, you will get ticketed and towed. They're gonna first ticket you and then get the wreckers here as fast as they can. So she said, everybody parks over here. The boat ramp, I'm walking towards it over here by the marina. You've got a car wash. I don't know if it's operable or not. She said that this other parking back here on the gravel is also acceptable parking. And I'm gonna check out and see about that little motel hotel Holiday Inn. I'm gonna see if that is actually, you know, where they're renting rooms or if that's where people are setting up full time. I don't know, but it would be kind of cool to be able to come out here, get a room, and launch the boat and play. So Bridgeport right now, about 3.5 feet down. With it being about 3.5 feet down, it means you can get under the bridge. So if you're on the other side of the lake, see this other side of the lake over here? All this over here, and then to the right of this convenience store 114 goes, there's more stuff going on over there. So with all of that being said, usually if the lake level is high, you can't get under the bridge, and then you're limited to the other side of the lake right there. But right now they said it's low enough that you can get under the bridge. You might have to duck. If you have a wakeboard tower, I don't know if you're gonna make it or not, but hey, that's up to you to find it out. So here we go. They have fuel at the docks, and right here you can see how low everything is. Of course, when it comes up, it's going to come up about 3.5 feet, and we've seen this over before where we've seen these docks up pretty high. Once again, with me posting this on the Grapevine Facebook page, everybody at Grapevine knows what high is right now, 20 25 feet over. I mean, it's high. We see this every year at Grapevine. So that's what we've got going on right here. If you'll hang on for a second, I'm not going to edit this. I'm just going to walk up towards the convenience store and give you a quick peek of what's around the corner there. So yeah, bear with me. Let's walk and talk. Let's get to know each other. My name is Blair. I work over at Simpson Motor Company. We have a repair shop. We have a car sales lot. We specialize in affordable cars that we go through them tip to tail because we have a shop. So when you see some of our lower priced cars, yeah, there's some scratches and dings, but you know what? They have good bones. It's what you look for in a house. You get a home inspection, you want good bones. Yeah, I got to do a shameless plug right there for where I work and what I do. But if you ever do want to get in touch with me regarding used cars, sales, service, or state inspections, you can reach me at 817-615-9600. Since you didn't have a pen and I'm still walking, I'll give you that number again, 817-615-9600. How about that for a quick 20-second commercial? So here we are. This is 114 right here, and you've got the convenience store that we just went into, Lakeside. You got Doggo right there going out for a break, and then you have another convenience store over here. You got the front of the hotel, motel, looks like it's called the Lodge. I'm gonna go get the phone number off that in a little bit, and let me just kind of give you some kind of a view. Across the way I see a boat ramp over there as well. I don't know how to access that. Sounds like something for Google Maps right there, doesn't it? But yeah, as soon as you cross the bridge, you enter the city of Runaway Bay, and that's where we are, Runaway Bay on Highway 114, Lake Bridgeport. This might give you some options if you're tired of Grapevine being closed and some of the other lakes out there as well. Eagle Mountain, hey, our shop is right there by Eagle Mountain Lake, so we know what Eagle Mountain is like. It's good. It's good right now. Lake level's up, and that's a good place to launch as well if you have a boat. I don't have my boat going. I have to repower the outboard, which is why some of you guys are calling going, can I work on your boat? No, we're not a boat shop. And until I get my outboard replaced, I've got another outboard sitting on a pallet. I've got to repower my own Four Winds boat before I can work on anybody else's boat. So that's where we are. All right, you guys, I hope you found this helpful right here. This is Monday, June 17th as I'm making this, and we're supposed to have some more rain in a couple of days. Let's hope the rain goes west of Fort Worth and they get the extra rain they need out here in Bridgeport. You guys take good care. Talk to you soon. It's nice meeting you guys too. If you ever see me holding up the camera, shooting some video or something like that, come up and say hi. You guys take care. Have a great summer. See ya. Bye.